Are you preparing to go camping or on a cross-country road trip with your car or RV and need extra comfortable sleeping arrangements? Do you need an alternative to fussy air mattresses to provide visiting guests with a full night of uninterrupted rest? Do you need a versatile multi-purpose floor folding mattress for extra seating, makeshift sofa, or play area for children? Our brand new and high-quality tri-fold mattress is your ideal choice. Using high-quality 1.5 inches memory foam and 4.5 inches foam, which provides lasting support and delivers a great sleep experience. Plus, featuring a removable and washable cover that remains fresh and stain-free and bring you a safer and more secure experience. Furthermore, the transport design with a free storage bag makes this mattress as easy to remove and store, and the bag assured that the mattress will keep clean and dust-free until the next time you use it. With this tri-folding mattress, you can be having a good sleeping experience anywhere. Don't be hesitant to buy it now. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Easy to wash and clean. Equipped with a removable and washable cover with a zipper, you can make sure the mattress remains fresh and stain-free. It can surely ensure long-lasting use. Our memory foam mattress is an excellent option for campers. Number 2. Premium quality. Made of 1.5 inches of memory foam and 4.5 inches of foam, our mattress bed delivers a great sleep experience and will never lose its shape for its superior and high-density construction. Its supportive design featuring therapeutic qualities aims to provide you a healthy sleeping habit and wish you a nice dream. Number 3. Carry bag for easy transport. Our tri-fold mattress allows you to have a comfortable and nice sleep wherever you go with its convenient carry bag. You can take this lightweight yet sturdy memory foam bed to the exact place you need, no matter inside or outside. Besides, it can also be folded neatly away for storage in seconds. Number 4. Ultimate sleeping comfort. Our memory foam mattress bed adopts high-density memory foam and bamboo fiber cloth, providing you with lasting support and unrivaled comfort to your body. And it can also relieve your tiredness and offer great sleep when you go camping or traveling in your car. Number 5. Versatile tri-folding mattress. This tri-fold mattress is ideal for traveling, camping, or sleeping out as a temporary sleeping bed. It not only guarantees you comfortable sleeping all night long, but also enables you to pack it up in 1 second. You can also use it as a spare guest bed, which can well accommodate your friends or guests, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.